Very good morning, students. Students, we have completed this chapter. Now we will do the 1 mark questions. Challenge to and restoration of challenge to successionist and restoration of Congress systems. First question is, which major factor was responsible for dramatic victory of Indira Gandhi in 1971 election? The answer is what? Garibi Hatao slogan, which was generated strong response in landless labor, Dalit, Adivasi, minority, women and unemployed youth. Right? We have which two political parties were the major partner in ruling alliance after the 1971 general election to the students? The answer is Congress R and Communist Party of India. Right? Where major ruling alliance partner after the 1971 general elections. As you know that total tally of these two parties were 375, right? And Congress won 372, right? Now third question is, who represent Congress O and Congress K after the split of Congress party? Congress O and old Congress. Syndicate represent the Congress, means old Congress, old over, while Indira Gandhi represent Congress R. Here is K is wrong, right? Who was the official Congress candidate for the post of president of India in 1969? The answer is Neelam Sajiv Reddy. What is meant by Congress syndicate? What is meant by the syndicate with regard to split in Congress? The answer is syndicate referred to group of powerful and influential leader from within Congress. What is meant by privy pursuit? This is the privy pursuit, a grant or allowance to given the family of princely rulers on basis of the extent of their property. Question number 7. After the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri, which two leaders of the Congress party contested against one another to become leader of Congress Parliament party? After the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri on 10 January 1960s, how did Indira Gandhi become the next Prime Minister? Right? This question can ask these two types. So, after the intense competition between Morarji Desai and Indira Gandhi, she was backed by senior party leader. Right? Question number, after which general election in India did Congress party lose its dominance for the first time at the center? Student, as you know, 4th general election 1967, Congress party lost its dominance for the first time at the center. Name the two main contenders who contested the election for the post of president of India in 1969. The answer is Neelam Sajiv Reddy and W. Giri. Now question number 10. The result of which election were called political earthquakes? And why are the result of 1966 election in India called political earthquakes? Students, the answer is the result of 1967 election jolted the Congress at the both national and state level. The Congress managed to get a majority in Lok Sabha, but with its lowest tally to seat and share of votes since 1952, hence it is called political earthquake. What is meant by defections? Defection I have already explained you, means elected representatives leaves the party on whose symbol he or she was elected and joined another party. Name the leader who gave the following slogans: Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. The answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. And Garibi Hatao, Indira Gandhi. Now 13 questions. Which theoretical argument did Ram Manohar Lohia give in defense of non-Congressionalism? Answer is the Congress rule was undemocratic and opposed to interest of ordinary poor people. Right? Now question number 14. Why did the senior Congress leader support Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister in 1960? Right? The answer is because she had been Congress President in the past and had also been Union Minister for Information in Shastri cabinet. Right? Now correct and rewrite the statement given below. Gaya Lai, an MP from Haryana legislature, changed his party twice in fortnight. Answer is Gaya Lal, an MLA from Haryana. Gaya Lai, MLA from Haryana legislature, changed his party thrice in fortnight. Means 3 times he changed the party. First joined one party, next time again, next and fifth, then again third party. Write the names of the 2 successive presidents of India after the death of Dr. Zakir Hussain, Neelam Sajeev Reddy and V.V. Giri. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Indira Gandhi had to deal with them in a group of powerful and influential leaders from within the right. Answer is Indira Gandhi had to deal with syndicate, right? A group of powerful and influential leaders from within the Congress. Mention the name of any 2 important leaders of the Congress party were defeated in 1960 general election. The 2 important leaders of the Congress party who were defeated in 1967 general election were Kamraj in Tamil Nadu and S.K. Patil in Maharashtra. Now the last question 19. What is meaning of dangerous decade in context of Indian politics? The 1960s were called dangerous decade in Indian politics as many challenges and unresolved problems like poverty, inequality, communal and regional division, etc. were thought could lead to failure of democratic project or disintegration of country. Now students, this is completed. Hope you will understand it, and thanks for watching this video, and like it, share it, comment it.